how to change Gmail password in mobile. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. Now it's actually super easy to do, and all you basically want to do is go to the Gmail app and then click on the top right corner on that profile picture. Then click on manage your Google account and open up those settings. Then here you just want to swipe that top bar like I'm doing to the left until you see security right over there. Then you want to swipe a bit down to see how you sign into Google, and you see password right over there. Now you want to click on there like I just did, and you first have to enter your old password. Now, if you forgot it, then you can also click on forgot password right over there, but you just want to enter that first. Once you've done that, then you will see this page over here. Now here you have to fill in a new password and then also confirm the new password, and then simply click on change password at the bottom. And that is how you can easily change your Gmail password in mobile. Now, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.